Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can improve robotic process automation reliability using repair with CoPilot feature. In this example, I will show how we can repair data grid UI selector in legacy window application. We will trigger the desktop flow from cloud in an unattended mode. So let's start. Firstly, let me cover the prerequisites. Go to manage, click environments and select the environment. The environment must be a managed environment. You can check it from the admin center. Go to environment setting. Under product, select features. And in the feature, make sure that Copilot and runtime repair flag should be toggled on. There you are. You can see the desktop flow repair at runtime configuration is toggled on. Last but not the least, the environment region should be located in United States. Let me show you the invoice legacy app from where we will extract tabular data in desktop flow. We will extract account data and export to a CSV file in the flow. Let's move to the desktop flow. I have already created a desktop flow. Before moving forward, let me show you the repair error setting while creating a new desktop flow. You need to toggle on repair flow error flag to enable this feature. Let's check out the property of an existing flow. Here also you can spot repair flow error setting is enabled. In the existing flow, it gives option to repair manually or allow AI to suggest a fix during flow execution. You need to enable repair flow error setting to fix runtime error in UI automation. Let's open this desktop flow in edit mode. I will explain all the action in the desktop flow. The first action is to run the invoice legacy Windows app. You need to specify the application exe full path. Select window style as maximize. Choose wait for application to load in after application launch parameter and enter 10 in the timeout property. The next action is extract data from table. We'll locate the UI element using selector and extract data in the data table variable. The selector is invalid in this example to showcase repair error capability. Terminate process action will close the Windows app by process ID. The process ID can be passed from the output of run application action. Lastly, we will write data table variable as CSV file using write to CSV file action. You need to set the destination full file path for CSV file. So this is our flow. Let's run this flow in debug mode. The flow will fail as it can't find the valid selector for data grid. You can see the error message. It also contains the recommendation and the error details. Save this flow with invalid selector and later we will see how we will fix this error with repair error feature during the flow execution in unattended mode. Let's move forward to the cloud flow that triggered this desktop flow in an unattended scenario. Click edit to open this cloud flow. In run a desktop flow action, you can see we are running it in unattended mode. Let's run this cloud flow. Navigate to machine screen from the left navigation menu. Go to Run Queue tab. Select the running instance. Go to the run details of this desktop flow. It will take some time to refresh the action logs in Cloud Portal. So we will refresh it multiple times. So the first action ran successfully. The flow will stuck on the second action due to invalid selector and will wait for an action to fix it. It will wait for 10 minutes and post that the flow will run and fail. Let's go to the automation center. Click refresh button to see the latest recommendation. You can see a recommendation for repairing a failed flow is available. Click repair with CoPilot button. You can see a panel window with recommendation and action detail. It will also show active runs for desktop flow. It also specifies the end time for repair. Select active flow run instance. You can see an option to see run details, flow details. It also gives option to ignore and continue or repair with CoPilot action. If we don't take an action uh, by end time of by end time, the flow will ignore this action and will ultimately failed. Click repair with copilot button. In the next screen you will see the error details with the name of the desktop flow, the action number, the subflow name and an application name. It also provides the screenshot and the invalid selector. In the lower part, you can see suggested fix for the invalid selector. It also provides screenshot and the valid selector for the data grid UI element. It gives option to apply once or ignore and continue. With ignore and continue, the flow will ignore this step and will fail. Click, click apply once to apply the fix. Once error is fixed, go to the previous screen. You can see the repair status is changed to submitted. If you select the flow run and click on view outcome, you can see the audit details for the error fix. This will show the who and when the repair action took place. Go back to the run details to check the status of the flow instance. You can see the flow ran successfully. So this way we can leverage AI repair flow feature to fix error in UI automation during flow execution. Thank you. For more videos on feature update and use cases, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.